Don't you want to decorate your classic cupcakes like a seasoned cupcake decorating perfectionist? Well, Cooking Company will guide you one step at a time to create these 5 amazing cupcake decorations, all by yourself. A whole variety of decorations can make a simple cupcake look very interesting. You can use a food cutter to make segments on top of your frosting and decorate with different coloured sprinkles, or even pearl-like decorations. You can use sprinkles to coat the outside of a very thick layer of frosting if you like, and stick a lovely cookie in the middle. We can use different animal shapes, great for kids. Next, if we get some buttercream frosting, you can use different colours, different flavours, put a few sprinkles, a cherry and a flake on top. Looks like a sundae. If we get some mini marshmallows and some pink coloured sugar, which we can colour with food colouring, any colour you like really, but we're using pink, we cut our marshmallows in half, dip them in the pink sugar, and voila! Looks like beautiful flower petals. We put them all over the top of our cupcake. Almost too good to eat. Next, if you get a food bag and poke some little holes in it, stick your frosting into that, it becomes a piping bag with a difference. We can squirt noodles all over the top of our cupcake. That looks really fun. Or maybe it could be hair. Let's stick some ears in that, and some eyes, and a nose. Nothing wrong with a few Smarties. These are small bites of portable paradise, distinguished creations first made in the early 17th century. And if you prefer not to use frosting, you can use sugar glaze, fruit jam, nut butter, anything you can think of really. Which one shall I have first? That one, and that one, and that one, and that one. No fuss desserts are the best desserts. And so let's make 3 simple desserts with just 2 ingredients each. Strawberry ice cream with sugar syrup, cupcake with frosting, and a chocolate brownie with chocolate chips. They're easy to make and delicious at the same time. Cooking Company will take you one step at a time to prepare these 3 delicious desserts. Are you ready? All you need is 250 grams of frozen strawberries with 65 millilitres of sugar syrup. Blend it together to make a smooth consistency for our ice cream. Look at that. A beautifully refreshing flavour, perfect for summer parties. Now let's smooth it over with a spatula and stick it in the freezer for 3 hours. And there you have it. Delicious strawberry flavoured ice cream. How easy was that? Why not stick a fresh strawberry on top? Next, we're going to get some cake mix flour, 350 grams of that. Stick it in a bowl with 200 millilitres of sparkling soda. We're using strawberry flavoured Fanta, which adds a lovely pink colour. We whisk it away until it becomes mousse-like in texture. We can put that mousse-like mixture into a piping bag to pipe them into our moulds, ready to put in the oven. Bake at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. And voila, there we have it. Why not serve this with a dribble of vanilla frosting and a fresh strawberry? Lovely. Last but not least, we're going to melt 220 grams of dark chocolate chips in the microwave at 750 watts for 2 minutes. Stir it up so it all smooths out. Now we're going to need 3 different bowls for this next part. We need 4 eggs. First, we're going to put the egg whites to one side in a different bowl. Then, one by one, we're going to add our yolks to our chocolate mixture. Stir that in one at a time. Then we're going to get our egg white mixture and whisk it until it's really, really white and frothy, kind of like when you make meringue. Have you ever made meringue? Frothy heaven. Now we're going to spoon in a dollop of that at a time, one at a time, and mix it each time until it's all blended nicely together. Delicious. We're going to pour that into our cake mould. Then we're going to bake that in the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. And when it's finished, why not sprinkle some icing sugar on top for decoration? Cut a slice and serve it with a dollop of ice cream. Wow, I would not mind a slice of that rich, gooey chocolate cake. See, it really is that easy. Just 2 ingredients, folks. Look at that. A pink delight and so easy to make. Just get some white chocolate buttons and melt those, some strawberry flavoured Pocky Sticks, and we're going to pour the white chocolate over the Pocky Sticks. It's as easy as that, folks. We're using a food piping bag to do that to create a beautiful pattern. Now, while we set those aside, we get our vanilla cake. It could be pre-made from the shop or you could make it earlier. We're going to cut it into 4 sections and then we're going to add our filling. It's strawberry buttercream, which we've also prepared earlier, and some strawberry jam. Yummy, my favourite. We're going to smooth this evenly over the top and we're going to do this with each layer. It's very, very simple and it does not take long at all. By doing this, you can make a very simple vanilla cake into a really exciting party cake. We're going to coat the whole thing in buttercream icing so it's lovely and pink. Now, here come our Pocky Sticks. We're going to stick them all around the edge. Absolutely beautiful and so simple. Look at that. Next, we get our chocolate roses made with white chocolate and food colouring. Cover the top of the cake. Now for our finishing touch, we'll add a ribbon around the edge. How glamorous! Did you know that Pocky Sticks have been around since 1966? First invented in Japan. With just a few simple ingredients, we made this stunning party delight. Some chocolate, cream, jam, and vanilla cake. And don't forget the Pocky Sticks.